we're going to talk about how to share media from the microSD card of the MiFi Liberate using the MiFi Media Center application. First, we're going to learn how to do that through a web browser off of my iPad mini. So I'm going to go to Safari, and I'm going to go to att.MiFi Liberate. That's the web interface manager for the AT&T MiFi. You'll see right down here, we'll say Play Media. And so what that's going to do is it's going to read all the media from the microSD card stored on the MiFi Liberate and stream that wirelessly to my iPad. So I go here, I click Learn More, and it's going to come over here and load up, and you'll see it's broken out by photos, videos, and music. So say I want to see a video, I can click on videos. It's going to read the two videos that are on the microSD card, and I'm just going to tap it, and it's going to start playing. So this is streaming right from the microSD card.
To learn, to share. Today, we're on the verge of a new era of freedom, where you can...
One nice thing is you can connect up to 10 devices to the MiFi Liberate, as well as also have that media streamed across all the devices. So it's not just one-to-one, it's one-to-many. You can have multiple devices accessing the same content on the microSD card. So if I have two children in the back seat on a road trip and they both want to watch the same movie, one's on an iPad mini and one's on a Nexus, then I'm able to let each child have their own tablet and share the same content from the microSD card on the MiFi Liberate, all wirelessly. I don't have to worry about syncing or transferring anything. But sometimes you don't want to play it just on a device. You want to be able to push it out to other devices in your network. So other DLNA devices that are compatible and connected to the MiFi Liberate wireless network will be able to access the content from the microSD card. For that example, we have the Sony DLNA wireless speaker, and we have a WD TV Live that's connected to a little TV over here. So I'm going to use the DLNA server and use a local application called Twonky Beam on my iPad to control the media from the microSD card and push that out to either the speaker or to the TV. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Twonky Beam application. I'm then going to go over to the little house in the corner, and you'll say My Media, and I'm going to look at the MiFi Liberate. From there, I'll look over and I again have that same music, photos, and videos. So let's choose music this time, and I'll say all albums, and I want to listen to some tango. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to tap tango, and it's going to add it to the queue, and it's going to ask me to select a media source. So I know, just because I set this up, that the NS300 is actually the network speaker from Sony. So I'm going to tap that, and it's going to beam it and start playing. Oh, there you go. So that's from the Sony speaker, but maybe I actually wanted to play that over through the TV. So you'll see now it's switching over, and it's going to play on the TV in just a second as it beams it over. So all of this media is being streamed wirelessly. It's stored on the microSD card in the MiFi Liberate, and it's being streamed through DLNA to the other DLNA compatible devices across the MiFi Liberate's wireless network. I'm using the iPad mini, and I'm using the application Twonky Beam, but you can use any compatible DLNA device to access it. For example, I can also access that directly through the Western Digital TV Live box. So I'm going to actually go back to home now, and I'm just going to use the native user interface on the WD TV Live box to say videos. So I'm going to say select a new source, and I'm going to say a media server, and there's my MiFi Liberate. So I'll click MiFi Liberate. And it's going to connect to the MiFi Liberate, and it's going to see what media is available on the MiFi Liberate. And this is all stored on the microSD card. So I'll go over to All Videos, and I see, oh, there's a MiFi Liberate video, and I want to start playing that. So now I'm streaming the media from the microSD card onto the WD TV Live. All of it's through the MiFi Liberate, all of it's connected wirelessly.
Anywhere, anytime, and on any Wi-Fi enabled device.
And that concludes our demo.